Hi everybody, welcome back to Kaden's Kitchen. Today, we're making chocolate-dipped shortbread cookies. These are the ingredients you need. Butter, sugar, vanilla, salt, and flour. Now, we're going to combine the butter and sugar. There we go. Now mix the vanilla and every other ingredient. Do this. Now pour out and shape into a flat disc. Wrap in plastic and chill for 30 minutes. We already rolled the dough to a half-inch thick. Now we're going to cut out the cookies. Next, place on cookie sheet. Now we sprinkle some sugar. We preheat the oven to 350 and we'll put the cookies in for approximately 20 minutes. Take the cookies out of the oven and let cool. Now we dip the cookies in the chocolate. Delicious. Now for my favorite part, the taste test. That's good. Like, subscribe, and join us next time for a mystery.